Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the given line 5x minus 3y equals 15 and passes through the point -1, -4. So when we're thinking about lines that are perpendicular, the relationship between perpendicular lines is that their slopes are opposite reciprocals, or if you multiplied them together you would get -1. So for this given line 5x minus 3y equals 15, we need to find the slope of 5x minus 3y equals 15. This equation is not currently written in slope-intercept form, so we're not able to tell the slope just looking at the equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve this equation for y to rewrite it in that form, y equals mx plus b. So starting out, I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides so that I have -3y, and since I'm thinking mx plus b, I'm going to write this as -5x plus 15. Then, to get y by itself, I'm going to divide each term by that coefficient -3. So we get that y equals -5 divided by -3 is a positive 5/3 x. 15 divided by -3 is -5. So the part that matters for us is this 5/3. This is the slope of the line 5x minus 3y equals 15. So now that we know the slope of that line, since we are interested in being perpendicular to that line, we can think about the perpendicular slope. So since that slope is a positive, the perpendicular slope is going to have the opposite sign, so it will be negative. And 5/3, we need the reciprocal, 3/5. So now we can think about, we could call it our new line. Here's what we know about our new line, is it has a slope of -3/5, and it goes through the point -1, -4. So you can think of that -1, -4 as telling you an x-y pair. So this information is enough for us to write an equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So we know m already, we know an xy pair, and we can use that to solve for b. So first, plugging in our slope, I'm going to put my -3/5 in place of my m. And now I'm going to plug in my point, -1, -4 for x and for y. So y is equal to -4, x is equal to -1, and b is our variable that we're trying to find. So we have -4 is equal to positive 3/5 plus b. And then subtract 3/5 from both sides to get b by itself. So -20/5, take away 3/5, we have -23/5 is equal to b. So we knew m at the beginning, now we know b. Putting those together, our equation for our new line is y equals -3/5 x minus 23/5. This is a line that is perpendicular to 5x minus 3y equals 15 because their slopes are opposite reciprocals, and this line passes through the point -1, -4.